Assalamu alaikum. This is A. Shukr Ali Khan, Assistant Teacher English, Nalda Secondary School, Nalda Fakirat Bagarat. Welcome, Fakirat Online School, Fakirat. Look at the picture and answer the question. What will happen if you eat fruits? Yes, answer. If we eat fruits. If we eat fruit, we will get vitamins. What will happen if a person take exercise regularly? If a person takes exercise regularly, he will enjoy good health. What would you do if you are a bird? If I were a bird, I would fly. Yes, today's lesson is conditionals. Learning outcome. Dear students, you have noticed that the pictures produce some sentences that have if clause in English. An if clause is called a conditional. That is, when an action depends on another action in a sentence, it is called a conditional sentence. Study the following sentences. If you have money, you will become rich. If we have money, it's conditional clause. You will become rich, main clause. Another example, you will become rich, main clause. If you have money, conditional clause. In a conditional sentence, the if clause can come at the beginning or end of a sentence. When the conditional clause comes first, it is followed by a comma. When it comes at the end, there is no comma. Such as, if you save money, you will grow rich, or you will grow rich if you save money. Okay? There are three main types of conditional sentence. First conditional sentence, second conditional sentence, and third conditional sentence. First conditional, possibility. If you eat vegetables, you will get vitamins and minerals. First conditional is used to talk about something that is quite likely to happen in the future. It is very possible that you will eat vegetables. In that cases, you will get vitamins and minerals. The condition is quite likely to be fulfilled. Structure: if plus present simple plus future simple. Second conditional, improbable or imaginary situation. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. That is not. Second conditional is used to talk about a present situation which is impossible, an imaginary situation. Here the condition can be fulfilled because I am not a bird. In this way I call you. If I were a bird, I would fly. It's impossible for a man because I am not a bird. Okay. If Rina changed her job, she would be happy. It is also used to talk about a future event that is unlikely to happen. The speaker is not sure that Rina will change the job, so it is unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. Again, it is also used to talk about a future event that is unlikely to happen. The speaker isn't sure that Rina will change the job, so it is unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. Structure: if plus present simple plus future in the past would. Third conditional: if my friend have invited me, I would have joined his party. Third conditional is used to talk about something in the past that did not happen. He did not invite me and I did not join his party. It is an unfulfilled condition in the past. Its structure: if plus present perfect plus would have plus past participle. Note: various instant tenses. The tense or verb forms described here are the ones most commonly used in conditional sentences. However, it is impossible to use other tense or verb forms. Example: if Rafi is waiting for you. There is another conditional which is often called zero conditional. If the projector is on, an orange light appears. If the projector is on, an orange light appears. Study well if you want a good result. To describe instruction or an advice. Water freezes if the temperature falls below 0 degrees. To describe general fruits. Structure: if plus present simple plus present simple. Use the right form of verbs in the bracket. If you obey the law, you will be good citizen. Secondly, we wanted to go out yesterday, but the weather was terrible. If it dash a nice way, we dash for a picnic. Okay. Yes. But the weather would have gone. Evaluation: your parents will be happy if you shine in life. If Rosa had applied, he should have got the job. I would go to London if I had a visa. What will happen if you fail? Riza could answer well if he studied well. Iron becomes red and soft if it gets very hot. If you are wise, you will look before you leap. Homework: write a paragraph on what you would do if you won lottery. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home safe.